Dr. Moose. The dog that spent a career serving and supporting the university community. Just this last Friday, USA's Virginia Tech awarded an honorary doctorate degree to one of its most familiar and beloved staff, and that is the therapy dog named Moose. Same with other universities across the USA. The graduation ceremony for the class of 2020 was held online due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This is where the 8-year-old Moose received an honorary doctorate in veterinary medicine. The university said they were recognizing the work of Dr. Moose, who spent a career serving and supporting the university community. Dr. Moose is a Labrador Retriever who has been with the university since 2014. Moose is one of the 4 dogs serving at the Cook Counseling Center. According to Moose's owner, Dr. Moose has been helping students and staff, despite the dog's own health problems. Dr. Moose was recently diagnosed with prostate cancer, where the dog underwent radiation, chemotherapy, and other therapies. Dr. Moose treatment is ongoing, but the dog retains being cheerful, and aided almost more than 7,500 counseling sessions, and over 500 outreach events. When Dr. Moose is not at work, the dog enjoys swimming, eating snacks, and playing tug of war.